What's going on, YouTube? Back with another video. Let you guys see the 3D printer is working just fine. So you guys know I'll be printing them blinkers up soon. But let you guys see for a couple of seconds. Let y'all see that 3D printer. Let y'all see it making that. It's a 3D printer that work. I told you guys in a couple of days I'll be starting a 3D printer. Let y'all see what it do. As y'all guys see, you see that bad boy moving? Well, I did want to share with you guys and let you guys see that the 3D printer is working and it's doing what it's supposed to do. So, if you guys like my video, hit that like button. And if you want to continue following along with me on this Lambo bill, hit the subscribe button. Peace.